Hi, I'm Anna Cofone, Global Creative Advocate of Authentic Beauty Concept. I'm going to be creating a look using our Authentic Beauty Concept beauty ribbon for clients who have normal to fine hair, your go-to hero products. And what we used on Lila's hair were the Flawless Primer through the roots and the Amplify Mousse through the lengths and ends. This has helped to create a really beautiful base and structure to the hair, where we have got lots of volume, lots of lift to the hair. And now I want to show you how we can go about backcombing the hair to, again, just create a little bit more fullness. What I love to do is take sections, lifting them straight up, and then with my Mason, just backcombing the roots, and then just following that round all the way through the head. Now I'm going to be using the beauty ribbon and just a very simple technique of lifting the hair up, and we're going to have this tied at the front. Finishing the lengths and ends off with our hand and hair light cream. Simple idea that you can wear as the days get longer and warmer.